Space travel presents unique challenges for astronauts, from weightlessness to radiation exposure. But one often overlooked challenge is maintaining proper hydration. In the vacuum of space, water is a precious resource, and ensuring its quality is crucial for astronaut health. That's why on long missions, like trips to Mars or beyond, astronauts rely on liquid IV generators. These devices recycle water from various sources, but here's the catch.
Water in space doesn't always have the ideal pH level of 7. It can be acidic or alkaline due to various factors, including the recycling process itself.
Liquid IV generators work by purifying and enriching water for injection. However, if the pH isn't corrected, it can lead to health complications for astronauts. The pH scale ranges from 0 to 14, with 7 being the ideal neutral. Water that's too acidic or alkaline can cause digestive discomfort, mineral imbalances, and even impact the effectiveness of medications.
In space, where access to medical resources is limited, maintaining proper pH levels is critical. That's why we, the Guardians of the Gears, developed pH correction systems for liquid IV generators.
These systems monitor the pH of incoming water and adjust it to a neutral level before it's consumed by astronauts. It's a small but vital component of space mission safety. Thanks to advancements in technology and the dedication of scientists and engineers, astronauts can focus on their mission, knowing that their hydration needs are being met safely and effectively. When conquering the unknown, knowing as much as possible, even the pH of water, matters.
We are NASA Space Grant.